Hello, hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I share all the creations that I've made throughout the week. So let's get to it. Give me just a minute here to get these kind of moved out of the way. First up was this narwhal card for Craft and Kimmy's Saturday Challenge of water. I had a lot of fun with the background. I did some ink smushing and then added a stencil over that with some glimmer paste. And then I heat embossed the sentiment and then used the fun set Gnarly Dude for those fun narwhals. And there's the inside. Love how that turned out. I didn't get a chance this week to do my videos on making some backgrounds, but it is definitely still on the list and I hope to get to it within the next couple weeks. Next up, I was so excited to be asked to be a guest designer for Sweet November stamps for their Summer Dragons released. This is Froyo, and he just cracks me up because he did not choose his cool treat very wisely, because every time he goes to take a bite, it melts his little frozen yogurt or frozen ice cream. I did use another clear set from Sweet November stamps to create this background back here. I believe it was the Horizon Lines spring set, and then I did my own design for like the hills and meadows there. Hello Summer, and I put a little tree on the inside there. So he was super fun, and I was so honored to be a guest designer for them. Next up, it was a new month, so new stamp of the month for Craft and Kimmy. This is Hedgehogs. How cute is that little hedgehog there? And then on the inside, sending hedgehogs. And for those of you that don't know, if you spend $75 before taxes and shipping while supplies last at Craft and Kimmy Stamps, you can get this hedgehogs for free. It'll be automatically added to your order. How fun and cute. Next up, I have a set of mermaid ATCs. Unfortunately, they have already been mailed out, so I will be sure to include a photo of those at the end of this video. And then, can't tell, I'm obsessed with ATCs lately. So it was time for a scrappy challenge at Craft and Kimmy, which was anything but a card. So I made a set of these ATCs, and I used all Craft and Kimmy stamps and inks. It's Butterfly Dreams is the stamp set. And this technique is called the emerging color technique, and I absolutely love it. And it is definitely on my list to create a video to share because it's really easy, but it produces gorgeous, gorgeous results. I love how these ATCs turned out, and I can't wait to send them on their way to some lucky people. Next up was the August 2022 sheet load of cards. Do have a video up on that, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that. I did use those Free as a Bird stamp set and the matching paper by Stamping Up. It's all retired, but it still makes some beautiful, beautiful cards. And this sheet load did make 12 cards, so I have 3 sets of 4 cards each. So there was those, and on the inside, again, don't know if I mentioned it, but all the links to the blog posts or videos are in the description box in case you want more details. Next up, I did have a fun summer card with some penguins from Whimsy Stamps. It has also already been in the mail, so there will be a picture of it at the end of this video as well. Next up, I was on the Not Too Shabby Shop channel this week, showing how I created this cute card using the Mootiful Buddies stamp set and the Not Too Shabby August 2022 sketch of the month. I love this sketch. You'll be seeing it a lot. I added some This Calls for Confetti, but look at that little mouse, and I love cows. I think they have the sweetest faces. We used to have an event here at the zoo in Omaha that was Moo at the Zoo, and I loved it. They have done away with it, which makes me sad, but I still love cows, and I am that person. If I see them when we are driving, I'm going to be telling you that there are some moo cows over there. And there's the inside with that little mouse. So fun. And then I do have one more card that I created last Saturday night on Crafty Owl's YouTube channel. I was a guest for her Oh So Inspired, number 20. And I have already mailed out that card as well. So there will be a picture of it at the end of this video as well. So there are my creations for the week. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like what you see. If you do, thumbs up is always appreciated. And if you're not already subscribed, I'd love for you to go ahead and subscribe and click that bell for notifications. Come back to my channel in just a few hours for a very special video, for a very special release from Not Too Shabby. See you soon. Have a great day.